Okay, so we had a huge issue with the front knuckle, which was when we put the OEM 255 4519 on the car, it immediately hit the Model 3 knuckle and it was impossible to install. So we did some quick measurements and we found out that 235 4019 clears quite nicely. As a matter of fact, on the inside, it's rubbing like the little hairs on the rim protector of the tire. So I think we did a pretty good calculation. Clears by about maybe 4 millimeters, maybe 5. 235 4019 on the OEM 19 9.5 plus 45. So unfortunately it's going to be pretty sunk in there, and because of the reduction in diameter it's going to lower the car a little bit more. But we got the coilovers on the rear, so just a comparison in these two tires. Oh, by the way, if you've never seen an EV tire, that's what makes it quiet. You got that foam ring in there. So let's just check these two bad boys out next to each other, and we can see the diameter difference there. So yeah, so that's the difference between hitting the knuckle right here and being impossible to install, and the knuckle going over the tire. That solves our main issue for the day. When we rolled the car back and forth and pulled it back in, whatever the random state was of this 6 kg spring rate compression versus the effective drop knuckle that happened when we put a Model 3 knuckle on a Model Y, now we're going to lower this 20 millimeters to get a 40 millimeter drop at the outside of the tire. Maybe 20. Great. Spin the whole setup into the lower mount until that gap is all sucked up into the lower mount. So take some time. Okay, so we rolled it, bounced it, and now we are going to lower it more. I should have noticed that the coilover and the knuckle position being almost touching each other means that when you lower the coilover, you're pretty much got like a near 1-to-1 ratio of how that affects the tire to the wheel arch. We're gonna set it for 20 again, and then we're gonna go for it. Got 20 on the caliper. So I want to take this wrench and I want to kind of like slide it up against that plastic, and then I want to go click, turn, click, turn. I'm trying to go 2, click, click, turn, click, click, turn, and I'm pressing like up and in, right? We only got a couple millimeters to go. Go ahead. Okay. Okay, so show me how it's like locked for life.
I mean, this one goes that side, right?
So when this guy tightens, he goes like this. Oh, so this and when the top one tightens down, it goes like that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it normal they spin together? I mean,
actually,
I just
you hit it with more power.
Okay, like a man?
Like a jungle island woman. You feel it? You felt the difference?
No, I already know. Yeah, they just back and forth.
Are you spinning the pillow ball?
Pillow ball?
Yeah, are you just spinning the coil over like against the side spacers? See, that's what the hammering is for. The hammering is so that you're actually spinning these collars against each other faster than the bearing can turn.
Faster
On
than
the top and the bottom, they both have bearings. So you need to be pretty mean to it. Look at that guy just moving with every tap. Here, you hold this thing.
Okay.
Give me that screwdriver.
Okay. Can I still have my
Yeah, you can just
property?
hang out right there. It's fine. Oh yeah, they're just spinning.
Yeah.
They're spinning like a total
See?
team.
Uh-huh. Told you.
Oh, Emily.
Huh?
We should lock
Should
the bottom
lock.
one first.
Uh-huh. Okay, agree.
Wow. See?
Okay,
You know,
this is a lesson.
this type of video that we're making right now, it's called Learn From My Mistakes,
Uh-huh.
so that you don't need to make the same mistakes.
Like a pretty.
It's just spinning on the bearings at this
Right.
point. All
Yeah.
right, so I think that we're pretty locked in right now.
Uh-huh.
All right, just for good luck.
Okay.
All right, so wheels back on the car, and then we're gonna roll it back and forth, and we're gonna see what the results are. I just wanna watch my student doing exactly what I told her to do, which is to put her eyeballs on those holes and those studs so that you can reach the goal. Can you see it? You see the goal?
I see it.
Are you gonna reach your goal? Do you have the vision? Do you have the leg power? I thought a woman's power is like in the thighs.
Don't let me laugh.
Don't make me yell at you for not getting it done and following my instructions. You must be so close right now. It's very misaligned. Kick it in closer. Yeah, start super close. Like start with the back of the wheel, just like touching those studs. Like kick the bottom of the tire so the tire slides against the car. Yeah, there. They're touching each other?
Yeah.
Great. Can you see the alignment? Dear Lord. Oh my God.
Down.
No, you got a nut?
I don't know.
Do you need me to hand you a tool? This is craziness. Are you holding that with your leg?
Yeah.
Dude, scooters are stopping in the street to watch this nonsense. What type of video do you think that the scooter guy thought we were filming here? He probably has no idea. He's probably never seen anyone like doing this to a car in his life. Because whatever we're doing, it doesn't look like what the professionals would do. Oh my God, did you get it?
Yeah.
So my face is down here. I'm looking at these holes. I'm kind of like rotating and I'm pressing against the car. I'm gonna lift that thing with my feet. How's that? How's that? Is that good? Is that faster? Do you like it?
You just force me to say it's good.
I mean, you don't have to like it, but it was faster. It's all right. After you do this like 100 times, you're gonna be like a Formula One pit stop crew. You just keep like, beep, 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 and that's it. Done. Done. All right. So I just tightened up the tie rods, and now we're gonna check toe with everything tight. Huh? Sure. Just make sure that the wheel's straight. Looks pretty straight. Okay, you're on the bottom slot, right? Okay, you're pressing the plate. It's kind of like a 1/8 inch toe out. Oh yeah, sorry. It's like a 3 millimeters. Toe out, yeah. Okay, so we're just pulling out of the shop and ooh. Got some rubbing. We do have super steering angle, so definitely possible that we rub something. Yeah. Lots of humans. Ooh, what are they doing? They got like a little BBQ party? We got the family, they're blowing bubbles. We got all the tables moved outside. None of them love AC as much as me. Okay, so the car is going straight down the road, but the wheel is actually turned like a maybe 2 or 3 degrees to the right. Do you see how this is like down?
Yeah.
Yeah. Try to pay attention to the difference in how bumps feel between the front and the back. I think it feels pretty stock, huh? Do you feel any difference?
No.
Caster arm's like super close, but I have to say that the tie rod is touching. The stud is actually poking out like just a little bit. So I think we'll have enough thread engagement if we put like a 3mm wheel spacer on there. Put a 5mm wheel spacer on there. We only had 12mm holes, had to drill it out to 14. Wish me luck. So I just gave the car some toe in, and we're just gonna check that on the toe plate. So now we have 5mm toe in. So I did a little too much. Yeah, just kind of like creep forward a little bit. Just creep. Keep the wheel super straight. Okay, don't slam on the brakes. Good. Yeah, it's like a 1mm toe in. We're gonna go with that. That's good. Yep, unlock. Job done. Okay, so we just find the hole for the valve cover, and then it's sharp, then dull, sharp, then dull, sharp, then dull, and then center. Sharp, dull, sharp, dull, sharp, dull, sharp, dull, center. Notice some leftover parts, which were the rear lower control arm arrow covers. Job well done. Okay, be sure to take out the hockey pucks, otherwise they rip themselves off.